Dr. Mazel Ampareen Lyngdoh, the NPP MP candidate for the One Shillong parliamentary constituency, officially launched her Lok Sabha election campaign today in One Narthyang block, West Jaintia Hills district. Addressing the gathering, Ampareen Lyngdoh appealed to the NPP party workers to work diligently towards winning the MP Lok Sabha elections. She expressed her gratitude for being chosen as the MP candidate and hoped that with the support of the party workers, she would emerge victorious in this election. She also emphasized the importance of having an MP who can bridge the gap between the central and the state governments, ensuring direct development for the general public.
Minta ke NPP kelas late try, kelas no try, but kelas pemina lah kejong ketulung ni, ya ke candidate kejeng keli kelong, hator mapi ki kon kasi Jaintia, pinia kersanmo, ne pinia keren politics, but pinia shongshit jengrai, but pinia le ikikam kiba. Berpoi sejengai ya kata connection hapedeng keri kasi Jaintia pat ke Delhi pat ke Jelang.
The